things to know. Countries around the world. Today we're going to be learning about Hungary. Hungary is in the continent Europe. The capital of Hungary is Budapest, and the language people speak in Hungary is Hungarian. Szia! Szia means hi and bye in Hungarian. The currency of Hungarian is Hungarian forint. Some famous people of Hungary are Harry Houdini, a great magician, and John von Neumann, a great mathematician. Some tourist attractions are the Buda Castle and Hungarian Parliament Building, Budapest. Some tourist attractions are Untitled National Park and Caves, and Lake Balaton and Tihany. One famous food of Hungary is Hungarian lechon. What is Hungary famous for? Central Europe's largest Lake Balaton, known as Magyar Tenger, which means Hungarian Sea, more than 1,000 national springs, with 118 in Budapest alone. It is home to 30 Nobel Prize winners. The latest is in 2004 for chemistry. Red paprika powder is used to spice up just about every dish, especially goulash. Inventions like Rubik's Cube, clip-on electric bulb, and biro pen, which means ball pen. And water polo is the national sport of Hungary. Now it's time for the quiz. Can you guess the correct flag? You have 3 seconds. 2, 1. This flag is the correct one. So far in the countries around the world series, I have done A to H. I is coming out soon. If you have any suggestions for country names for upcoming videos, please leave a comment in the comment box below. Thank you for being a part of this series. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Bye!